Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by SendWin. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to create bookmark sessions, inside SendWin. So let me tell you that it's really easy to, create sessions and bookmark them, when you're using SendWin. You don't have to take any extra pain, okay? You can simply, bookmark them in just one go. So at first you need to create a save session for it, okay? If this is the page, you can create a save session. There are numerous ways that you can do it, all right? You can click on the extension icon, you can click on save session, you can right click, you can go to SendWin and you can open in a new save session. You can follow whatever way is more convenient to you. Okay, so just to show you, I already have SendWin sessions created here, so I'll just go and open one of them. Right, so you can see on your screen that this session has been loaded off SendWin. Right, so what I can do here, in order to bookmark it is I'll just click on this SendWin icon. Okay, so it could be done for any save session. Okay, if you have any of the save session, you can just go ahead, just click on these three dots, just click on create bookmark. You'll have an option to give it a name. You can edit the name from here. You can select if it has to if you want to display it on the bookmarks bar, or just keep it as a bookmark in other bookmarks. So definitely we need it in the bookmarks bar. Okay, so we'll just click on add and it says bookmark created. So how do you come to know? Just open up a new tab and you can see we have here, all right, SendWin 1, right? We have the SendWin 1 extension here, the shortcut here, so which means the bookmark has been added. And this is how you create bookmarks for sessions inside SendWin. I hope this video has helped you somewhere, and in case it did, then do let us know by hitting the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content, and do share our videos and drop down your comments if you have got any. We'd love to hear from you. And so I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.